We're going to be talking all about fashion, food, travel, beauty, skincare, and we are joined by Dr. Tabasum Mir.
I don't think we've ever had a doctor in the house before. So you're a real-life, breathing doctor.
I actually went to school, yes.
The certificate and all.
Yeah.
And what are you a doctor in? Explain.
I'm a dermatologist. I used to do a lot of surgical procedures and I stopped, but I do a lot of in-office, like fillers and Botox and peels and lasers, all of that.
Do you look at people's faces? And
Yes,
think,
yes, yes.
They need a little... So what do we need? It's probably,
Actually, it's funny because I look at celebrities' faces and say, okay, you don't need that anymore.
Who's messed themselves up? Like, who's done too much?
Kylie Jenner's #1. Everyone talks about her.
So what do you think that she's actually gotten done?
With Kylie's really young though, and there's a lot that I think that she's had done at such a young age. Fillers, Botox, peels. She's had her hip and butt done for sure.
Why'd you say it's too young?
She's still growing. I mean, a little lip filler is not that big of a deal because it goes away. What bothers me is when people say it's natural or they were born like that. They just, you know, you give this false information to all these young girls. You know, they're still getting into their bodies.
What kind of effect could this have on her later?
I think psychologically is the biggest effect. It's like you're always attaining this perfection that just doesn't exist.
I think you're right, although you're beautiful, and sometimes when somebody really beautiful says that, it doesn't feel fair for people who aren't as pretty.
Okay, I totally get that. I think everyone should feel beautiful on the inside first. I do these procedures. I am a proponent of these procedures, but if you're not right on the inside, nothing is going to make you beautiful.
So when people come into your office, you have rejected patients.
I've said to them, you're beautiful. Why do you want more? What do you think it's going to achieve? Because what happens, you've heard of body dysmorphic disorder? There is totally a face dysmorphic disorder. You know, where you look at your lips and you think, oh, they're perfect. But if I add a little bit more, or look at my, you know, lipo, if I do a little, it's crazy how it happens, and that's what is happening to these girls. They had no idea, and I don't reject them, but I will tell them, come back to me in 6 months and let's talk. Somebody was asking me about, well, should we even talk about Kim Kardashian?
I was just going to bring up Kim Kardashian.
Yeah, okay. You know, I think Kim Kardashian is a beautiful woman, but if you look at what she looked like in 2007 till now, and she's almost redefined beauty. Like everybody has these tiny waists and these big, you know, backsides now. I think she's had a brow lift. I think she's had hip implants. I think she's had butt implants. I think she's had everything. But she looks phenomenal. She looks fantastic. But everybody needs to understand it's not natural, because everyone wants those tiny waists and the big backsides, and it's not from squats, everybody.
No.
No.
Do you think Kim's going to go into hiding after the second baby?
I will bet you $10 she will. Yes, absolutely.
You are a font of information. Come back anytime.
Thank you so much.
Great having
Great
you.
to be here.